I was really convinced that this is a good project to work together with B360 and to give the opportunity to students who are really interested in doing practical work.
SQTS is very broad in terms of different analysis at two different sites of laboratories. Here in Courtepin we are speaking French, the French-speaking part of Switzerland, which is another challenge for the students and not only the practical work. So they really have the opportunity to learn a lot of different kind of works in different labs, in different setting of labs and different groups of people as well.
The microbiology team, and here they prepare samples for microbiological analysis. The sample is weighed on this side. When we receive them, they are weighed on this side. The analyses are made in 25 grams or at times in 10 grams. The samples are then in the bags are then homogenized, and the samples from the bag with filters are put in these tubes and are taken on the other side for dilutions. And the bags with no filters are taken directly to the incubators. As environmental health inspectors, we will go in the field and collect samples, but we don't go the further step to see how analyses are made. So it was pretty interesting to see what happens on the other side after collecting the samples, which I think is very important for someone to have a clear understanding of, because when you get the results, then it's so much easier for you to interpret the results. So what I did first was I entered the samples onto the system. I have to scan them and enter them onto the system. Then I prepare this with sand. There is sand in them. Then I have to close it for it to record the position of each. So then it's done recording the positions. So what I have to do now is to get the samples and prepare them for the analysis.
It's amazing. It's really a pleasure to see how they really go into it and that they are really keen to learn things and that they learned a lot.
I surely will be a different person in terms of because I've grown as an individual. My thinking is not the same, honestly, because coming here I had my perceptions and I had a picture of Europeans and Swiss people, but it's a different thing when you really get to integrate and get to know the people and understand them more.
Most of Namibian students are very timid at the beginning, and so it needs some effort from our side to get in contact with them. But once the first contact is made, all the people were amazed how friendly, how kind, how interactive they became, and a real close relationship was built up between the Namibian students and a lot of our people in the lab.
I really appreciate the trust and for believing in me and for believing that I'm capable of doing this, and I really just hope I did everyone proud. The Poly and Namibia at large, I really hope I represented well.